So this is for anyone who is thinking maybe they don't draw good enough to take my Scratchboard workshop. Well, let me tell you, you can still be a beginner and make something that you're really proud of. And here is a great example. Meet my 7-year-old daughter, Colette. She is going into the 2nd grade, and she is by far my best listener. So when she asked me if she could make a Scratchboard, I let her go through my pile of reference photos, and this tiger is from a workshop I did with the CBAA years ago. So I said, let's go for it. She traced it with tracing paper herself and has worked from start to finish on making this over the past few months. We've had some mistakes, had to ink over some areas and redo things like the whiskers, but all in all, I think she came out to have a great piece. While it's been too hot, humid, and thunderstormy here to varnish this, the ink spots that you see will go away once that's done. I hope this encourages you to sign up for my Scratchboard class, because if my 7-year-old can make this, you too can make something awesome.